Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make like a spotlight follow you at all times in CapCut PC. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste your video and you're going to select adjustments here, and on the second video you're going to make the video brighter and the contrast like a little bit to the left. You're also going to add in highlights and you're just going to make it a little bit more bright than it is. Then I'm going to go to video, I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select circle for the spotlight. You can choose to feather it out for a more subtle look, but just like a little bit, like 3%. And you're going to start using the keyframes to follow the person wherever it goes. So she kind of goes down, so I'm just going to go down here. And then here she goes up, and I'm going to follow her movement wherever it is. Like here she goes. I'm going to add another keyframe here so that doesn't move yet, and then here I'm going to follow her footsteps. And that's basically it. It is super tedious. I'm just gonna say that right now. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!